All right, I'm going to now demonstrate the latest version of my YouTube transcript processor. So, uh, you go to YouTube and you see videos that are very long, 3+ hours, 2 hours, an hour, 30 minutes, and let's say that you don't want to watch the whole thing. Well, these videos do have a transcript, but the transcript is very, very, very long and has a whole lot of text. So in order to get a summary of this transcript, I came up with this little app. Well, GPT-4 came up with this little app with me, and a couple of features here that I've updated in this latest version. We just take the URL, paste the URL in, and let's wait about 20 or so seconds while my application actually takes the transcript from the YouTube video in that URL and gives us a summary of the whole entire thing. So very, very useful, very convenient. Another thing that I thought would help is to be able to select a PDF file. So this PDF file is, for reference, this Kirkland and Ellis legal document for Celsius Network. And so we have the PDF I downloaded to the local machine. We're able to select it, and let's take a look at actually what will it generate. Will it generate the YouTube URL or the PDF? Let's see what it will summarize. See if we found a bug. Oh. So, clever enough to know that the text provided is a legal document, Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So there it is. And now we can copy this whole text or just save it. And if you're interested in the code for this application, it is a Python script and is quite short and small and compact, and can just be run on your local machine quite easily to run this application. All right, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe, and leave me a comment asking for what I can do to better inform you on this. Thanks. Bye.